How to fix Instagram accounts temporarily locked. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy Bimal, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix the temporarily locked Instagram account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, the issue over here is that let's say you open up Instagram and then let's say Instagram simply says your account has been temporarily locked, or just some kind of general issues like that. Hopefully there are a couple of ways on how you can fix that. The very first thing you want to make sure is that you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, now you're going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And sometimes if Instagram says it's temporarily locked, the very first thing you should understand is why this happens is because Instagram noticed some kind of spammy and bot-like behavior from your account. So what I'll recommend you do is to simply try to switch to your cellular data or switch to Wi-Fi before you try to log in back again. But if that doesn't help, in most of the cases, you waiting usually up to 24 hours or maybe usually up to 2 to 3 days is going to generally help solve your problem. Instagram only has put a certain bandwidth and a certain restriction on your account for the time being in order for you to not conduct any type of spammy activity. And after Instagram has verified that you are potentially a real owner of the account, it is going to simply give you access back into your account. Hopefully this video gave you some insights on how you can fix the lock account. The first thing is to simply actually try to switch to your cellular data or any of the networks which you have, or you could simply try to write a report to Instagram claiming that your Instagram account was locked for no reason at all. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.